on Durand, Michigan. Hey guys, here comes the CN westbound train. On Durand, Michigan. Doesn't know if there's a red and it's in there's green red, so. This is the same train I saw on, I saw in the Port Huron, Michigan yard, tunnel yard, so. I think it's a CN M401 westbound train, but I'm not sure. Here comes on Durand, Michigan. This is cool. I don't think it's going very fast. Let me check something. Look at my TV for now. Ah, cool. Here comes. Here. Hi. I'm waving, sorry. Cool. Oh, it's a grain train. That's the one we saw parked in the yard, I think. It is. Oh, yeah. It's a grain train. That's cool. It's the CN B741 westbound train. Cool. It's gotta be a long train then. I bet it is. I'll have to look at the number though. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. I was just doing something. Look, I have a snow blowing from the train. Yeah, it's the grain train. I knew it was that. That's the one we saw parked in the yard earlier. Well, I got to see two trains in person, which was cool. We would have seen this one, but we had to go. It's been 3 hours, so that's how I do it, so. Getting too cold, too. That's a long train. At least we got on here. I think it might be a HELPER or pusher at the end, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's a long train. That's a long train. I think that might be a long train. There's a picture of me in the Smoky Mountains. That's a big, big train. Oh, yeah, that's a long one. It's slowing down. The one earlier was creeping along after going fast, you know? Well, yeah, it's slowed down a lot now here. I don't know, it might be construction ahead or something, or maybe another eastbound or southbound is coming, I don't know. Yeah, he's slowing down. Maybe there's another train coming from Canada coming soon. Sure there is. I'm sure there's a M401 might be coming after this one. But we'll see. Yeah, he's slowing down. Well, I don't know. Sorry, I was just doing something. That's a big, big train. 4 minutes already. Holy crap. After this train, I may charge my phone. That way I can get some upgrading done, you know? Lucas, come on. Sorry, that's just a lava lamp. That's cool. Yeah, no. That's a long train. Uh-oh, I don't see the end yet. It might stop. I hope he doesn't, but he might. Hey, that's a long one. This was the one I saw in the yard, right? Yeah. Yep, it is. It's the one that we're going westbound. After we saw that southbound going on the Mount Carmel stop. This is the front stop train, so this one's on the front. He's stopping. Well, I don't know. It's been 5 minutes and it's still going. I'll let you guys know when I see the end of it. It's 5 minutes already. The train's still going. Holy crap, that's a big one. What's that light up there? Might be another train. Well, yeah. There is. Well, it might be off the Y, I don't know. Yeah, it's taking the Y up there. Yeah, that's a long train. Oh, here comes the end. Yeah, it's taking the Y, see? It's southbound, but it's going on the Y. Here comes the end of this one. Uh-oh, I think there's an engine at the end, I think. I can't tell. Might just be a coal car, I don't know. It sure looks like there's an engine at the end. I think there is. Yep! But I can't tell if it's a helper, a person, or a coal car. It's an engine! Helper! Yep, a helper. It's the end, I think. Yep, it goes. 3209. There goes. Alright, I'm Durand, Michigan.